Under construction, a mess of machines. Season 2, episode 37. Under construction is an understatement. There's the foam board backings and sidings from our last set. That's where I used to do all the restorations in movies, is inside those foam board shells, but they're gone for now. And this is the workbench. It's definitely under construction. Well, it's not really under construction. It's just plain plumb mess. Machines are stored here waiting for the tidy up job, the construction to finish and the set be put back in place and ready to make some films, to make some videos about having fun with these machines. And so yeah, I want you guys, you gals and guys, to come here, and like me, I come here to learn and teach myself and have fun. So, you know, and I usually pick up some things that I need to know about the machines, so maybe that'll happen for you folks too. Yes, it's definitely under construction. No two ways about that, is there? Gonna get this all cleaned off and get ready to start again, to have a new start, a new beginning. Here it is all cleaned up, and this is going to be the new studio, the new workshop studio set. Got 2 tables, right? And those 2 tables are 97 inches long, and they're about how wide are they, rough? We'll say 28 inches. That one's 24 inches. That one's almost 28. That's what we got to work with. Not bad, huh? Keep it nice and tidy and clean and safe, and do a lot of learning here and have a lot of fun here. That's what I'm here for, fun and learning. Look there, we got a bunch of beautiful machines there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got a 319K, a 301A, a 221K, a 201K, a 403A, and a 431G. Isn't that pretty? Thank you for coming to this channel. I hope that there was something of value for you, something that was fun, or, you know, maybe helped you teach yourself something while you were here. So stay safe, have fun, and hope to see you again real soon. Adios, amigos.